We're now going to move on to our fourth presenter, Gunther Knodler. So, Gunther, over to you.
Thank you very much for the invitation. When I heard I have to give a speech about 8 minutes, my first thought, forget it. It's not possible. So I try to make it very short, and I try even to break your record. So basically I will show you our system, what we can provide for sustainable denim washing. We call it Cut It Down for washing and garment dye process. So first of all, as almost every chemical supplier, we have to contribute to sustainability, and we really take care. You can find a lot of information on our website. So we recognize the complexity and importance of sustainability. Actually, our focus lies on the development of products and processes which contribute to a sustainable industrial process. And also, of course, we provide products and process solutions to our customers, and they contribute to the sustainable development. So actually, we are always increase our contribution for ecological products. So what is Cut It Down? Cut It Down actually is a brochure where you can find processes and recipes for sustainable denim washing. And the definition, of course, what is the aim? Saving of energy. Right, so you can see. Saving of time, saving of water, sometimes also saving of chemicals, mainly in garment dyeing. Then here you can see some of the parameters. I don't want to go to the details. You can read this in our brochure, which is available either from CHT or from our agent. Assad will be very lucky and happy to provide it to you. So we have defined some liquor ratios for different processes. Then we also calculate the amount of energy which is necessary. Just to give you an impression, here is a summary of different processes and all the pages where you can find it in our brochure. So we divide it in wash processes and in garment dyeing processes. So this is an overview of what is possible. For example, desizing in stonewash or desizing in biopolish and some other processes. And so you can see it's possible to save energy up to 50%, even 60%. Time-wise, depending on the process, between 5 and 30%. And water saving could be also up to 30%. So in garment dyeing, also we can save time, energy, and water. So this is one example. I just put one process. You always can find in the brochure the conventional process, what from our experience a lot of producers are still using. For example, this is desizing in stonewash process with 6 process steps, 6 baths, with a certain amount of water, in this case 4,300 liter, certain amount of energy, and a process time of 59 minutes. And then our proposal, which we can work out together with you in your factory or in our garment washing centers. Here we can save 59% of the energy. Unfortunately, only 5% of time in this case, but still also 30% of water. So I think this is a word, and this will help you for a sustainable production. So last but not least, everybody hears a lot about different standards, like this green screen, and there are, I don't know how many else. I actually lost the overview, to be honest. It's very, very complex and complicated. But I think one important initiative was this ZDHC initiative, and you can find the recommendation list of CHT's products on our website. We give active support to ZDHC. We are really engaged. It has 18 brands at the moment and 3 textile associations. So this will create a new target, new standard for environmental protection and manufacturing conditions. So we have also some activities here. We are engaged in the research list, in the ZHC MSRL and testing protocols, and chemicals management best practice, pilot projects, and the data management. A smaller engagement we have in trainings and in guidance documents. As I mentioned, we already published our recommendation list since a long time. We are present in several web conferences with the work streams, and our opinion actually is asked frequently by ZHC and also clients because we have good competence in product safety topics.